What's going on, everyone? Today is a wonderful day. We're going to be doing our door card today for the Honda Accord. Get rid of this tacky kind of like tannish color. I'm going to make it the same fabric that I use up here for the headliner and for the armrest. So I've already got the fabric still left over from when I did the headliner and armrest at home. I just have to make sure I have enough adhesive. If I don't have enough adhesive, I'll go and pick up some more. It's only like a few bucks for a big can of it. So we're going to do that and then see how things look. So that's the plan for today. So let's go home. All right, so I'm home. Time to take off the door card, any of the trims that I need to, so that way I can fully access all of where this fabric piece is, so that way when I change it out, just in case if there's anything that's maybe holding this piece down for any reason. I know some cars maybe like different pieces of the door card are different, parts specifically, so just depending on however it's done. So that way we'll get this all taken care of, take it all off, and get it changed into the new fabric. So let's go. So now we have the door card out, and I can kind of look at it and inspect it to see if it's either a multi-piece attachment or not, which it looks like it's all part of the door card. So it's going to be a little bit different. Let's make sure we have all the trim out. Let's make sure we do it carefully. It's held in a little bit by some of this, by these little fold-over clips. So that's going to be kind of a little bit helpful when it comes to the install. So you can kind of see these little fold-over clips. You can kind of like slide these in, kind of how they're supposed to seat into the fabric. And I want to try to make sure I get the fabric off as clean as possible as well, because I want to. What I'm going to do is each individual card, I have to do a different cut because each card is going to be different. So that way, when I do it, I have to make sure that it's, proper. And I'll have to clean all this fuzzing off and everything as well. Because what I'm going to be using this basically as a pattern. So. Getting this off, making it as the best as I can is going to be, this is how I want to basically get it off. I want it to look exactly like this size and shape for this card specifically. So now I'll have to get all of this off. So let me do that and then I will come back. All right, so I got the door card all cleaned out. I've got the fabric set up. This is the fabric here. I'll flip this over so you guys can kind of see how it looks a little bit. This was the excess from after I did the headliner and the armrest. So I definitely have plenty enough to be able to do all four door cards. So what I'm doing is I'm laying the fabric with the back side facing upwards. I'm doing the same for the piece I cut off on the door card. I know I'm probably gonna have someone cringing because I'm gonna be cutting this on the trunk, but the trunk is actually gonna be redone with something new eventually. So it'll be fine for now. So what I'm doing now is, I just kind of have to trace around the fabric, and we'll do that here. And it's not going to be very hard, and I'm not actually cutting on the trunk itself either. I am lifting up the fabric, as you can see here. And then what I'm going to do for these two spots here is I'm going to wait till after I get it set on the door card, and then I can actually cut it out a little bit cleaner after it's been put on. So let me go grab the fabric adhesive, and we will get into installing this now. All right, so let's lay this in. I have this little L bracket that I had modified to kind of make it easy to grip, but it kind of makes it easy for me to kind of roll the fabric into place where I want it. That way it stays. And this being the first one, that's why I did it on the passenger side one, so that way it's kind of like not on my door. But I want it to be still as best as I can get it. It's still gonna look good either way, let me tell you that much. Kind of work the fabric into place. Get some sweat dripping down my nose a little bit here. And then whatever it doesn't stick, which I sprayed it in a way to where if anything's like overhang, it's on the back side. Man, this is gonna look so good. I can already tell. I'll show you guys this once it's all in. And what you want to do also is when you spray adhesives and stuff like this, you want to do what's called flashing, where you want it to, you spray it and then you let it sit for a bit before actually laying whatever the material it is you're laying. You want it to get tacky, basically. And so like parts like this where like it kind of like, it dried a little too much, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of it onto the fabric and to the card itself here. But this is also to help it stick as I install it as well. Once it's all done, it'll be completely flashed and good to go. So you guys can kind of see how that looks. So you can see I kind of overcut, but that's what I wanted anyway. This is all basically going to be held on by that trim piece that I was talking to you guys about earlier that I took off. Now what I can do, I'm not making a whole kinds of mess, so it's a little bit excess over here, so I'm going to kind of trim it a little bit more. So it's not so bad. That can look as, basically as botchy as I want it to be. I need to kind of re-trim this corner a little bit here. There we go. It just looks so nice. And then once you put the tan, like the door handle and then the lock bar piece, it just will come all together. So let me get these installed and then get the door card on, and I'll show you how it looks on the car. Look at the fruition of our work. It just looks so good and it blends well together. There's a few little like small imperfective spots, but I mean the overall is like, it looks 1,000 times better than what it used to. So, oh man, it's warm out here today too. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other 3 door cards and put everything else back together, and then I'm gonna relax. So let me go ahead and do those, and until the next one, guys, I'll see you later.